This is my son Calvin. He's gonna help me make some cheesy popcorn today, right, Cal?
That's right.
Okay, so first we're gonna do is we're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of oil to our pot, right?
Yeah.
You wanna add it?
Yep.
Okay, let me scooch you over.
Whoa.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, 1, go ahead. Good. 2, good. One more. We'll do 3. Okay? Beautiful. Okay, what do you think comes next?
Eggs.
Next, we're going to add eggs.
Butter.
Eggs and popcorn?
Eggs and butter.
Okay, not buttered yet. We're going to save that for when the popcorn's pop. But,
Some corn.
yeah, some corn kernels. Okay, can you hold that up?
Yep.
I'm going to help you pour it, okay? So we're going to do a 1/4 cup. Ready? Oh, all right. There we go. And put the lid on.
Where is it?
Right there. So we're going to put about a 1/4 cup of kernels into a pot over medium-high heat and cover it. You can cover it with a lid, or you can put what?
Like some plastic.
Plastic foil.
Foil.
Foil, yeah. And then I poke holes in it, right? So you can poke holes in aluminum foil or just put a lid. And it should take a couple minutes to start popping. It's starting to pop. It should pop for about a minute or 2. You don't want it to burn, right?
Yep.
You gotta give it a little shimmy shake every now and then. Keep the lid off, or else what's gonna happen?
It's gonna burn.
And the popcorn's gonna go everywhere. Right?
Yep. Oh gosh, like over off my feet.
When we're done popping popcorn, we're gonna put it on our baking sheet because we're gonna bake it with the cheese on it. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. Once the kernels slow down and they start to pop every 10, 20 seconds, you can take them off.
That's silly, right guys? And when we're done, we're gonna put cheese on it.
Yeah. And then we're gonna put, and try not to get the kernels in there. Oh, we did a good job. Now let's spread out our popcorn onto a baking sheet, and we're going to add.
I see one right there. Right there.
Oh.
And look one right there.
Oh my goodness. All right, that's good. It's okay. So next we're gonna add the butter. You want to do that, bud?
Yep.
Okay, so you do a spoon and just drizzle it over top. Okay. Get all over. Good. All right, just pour it over. Just take the bowl. Take the bowl. 2 hands. Oh. All over. Okay, and we're gonna toss this. Good job. You wanna toss the popcorn? Or no? I'll get my hands dirty. Okay. So I added about 3 tablespoons of butter. 2 to 3. Who doesn't like it super buttery, right? Like
Me.
Buttery. You don't? I think you do.
Of course I do.
And then we're gonna add salt, and you can add salt to taste. You wanna add some? Go ahead. It's good. A little bit. Good. All over. Good job. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. So I would say about a 1/4 cup of cheese, 1/2 cup, however much you like. There's no right or wrong way. Now we're gonna put it in the
egg.
You're funny. In the oven, you silly egghead.
The egg.
So we're gonna put in the oven at about 350, 375 for just about 5 minutes until the cheese melts. Oh, it's melting. Couple more minutes.
What's melting?
The eggs.
Okay, now everyone, it's all melted and eggs.
Okay, then we're gonna toss it because some of the cheese is sitting on the sheet pan, and we want to kind of just get it on the popcorn, and it's done. Yeah.
What about that one? That one's like
Ooh.
popcorn.
Yeah, look at that cheesy.
No, that one's not
Look
popcorn.
at the cheese.
That popcorn's not popcorn.
Okay, so now we're going to
Make cookies.
not yet. Cal, we're gonna add it to a bowl, you silly head. All right. Okay, did I make a mess or did I make a mess?
You made a mess.
You made a mess. Yes.
I said you made a mess.
Ooh, get that cheese off. There. Okay. Do you want to try? So this is our cheesy popcorn. I like using either white cheddar or yellow cheddar. You can use any cheese that you like, right?
Yep.
Okay, try this one.
Why?
You're gonna love it.
I love cheese.
Okay, you can get this recipe by visiting alekasgettogether.com. And more tips and tricks without eggs. Without eggs. Okay, say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. See you fishy time.
Okay.